It literally says in oil, replace up to 20%. Well, we're doing 100% today.
Welcome back to the channel! So, as most of y'all know, this car has been through hell and back, literally. We've done so much stuff to this car, straight octane boost, airplane fuel, you name it, Everclear.
So today, we're gonna blow it up.
We haven't really done anything with engine oil. We went on Instagram and made a poll, and you guys requested Marvel Mystery Oil. So, in today's episode, we're gonna change our oil 100% with Marvel Mystery. More than likely, this thing is gonna be blown the f up.
We wanna make sure this thing goes out with a bang. It deserves it. We have beat the shit out of it before. So what we're gonna do before we change the oil out,
We're gonna race it.
yeah.
I'm gonna lose. Woo!
Yeah, we're gonna have a time trial race around this little racetrack we made here in Mexico.
In Mexico.
And
Mexico's overrated. We gotta go somewhere else. We're not in Mexico. Where are we?
Cabo. Wait, that's in Mexico.
Where is that?
We're in Canada today.
Australia. If you guys are new here, hit the subscribe button with post notifications on. I think that's what they're called, right? Post.
Oh yeah.
Hit that bell.
Hit all the buttons. Hit that bell. How you feeling about this race?
Well, I'm gonna tell you, I haven't driven stick in a while. I literally haven't raced a car in a while, so.
I guess your boyfriend doesn't count. So, Jay, what are you thinking, man?
I'm pretty goddamn confident. I mean, I'm a professional race car driver, so.
What about you, Justin?
I mean, I drive a stick every day, both and car. I've never driven a Miata before, so this is gonna be fun.
You'll fit right at home. All right.
All right, so Gabe's gonna go first on this time trial. I'm gonna do a ride along since I don't know the track yet.
We don't know the track either.
Oh. Well, we're gonna wing the out of it.
NASCAR, bro. Left,
Bunch
and
of left
don't hit
turns.
anything.
We're in the state of
We're
Australia.
in the country of Australia.
Gabe, don't hit a curb. Don't hit a
Hey,
curb.
no curbs, no trees. We're good.
There's light poles.
All right, 3.
Full disclaimer, Gabe said all we had to do was not wreck it. If it catches on fire, blows up,
We're good.
lightning strikes it, it's not our fault. He
Exactly.
said don't wreck it.
Obviously, guys, do not try this at home. We are fully prepared for any mishap. Allstate commercial.
You're in good hands, Gabe. You're in good hands.
He works for Allstate.
We have a fire extinguisher. This
Okay.
is for a f***ing boat.
Let's get to this time trial. So this right here is the start line, and that fire hydrant right there, out here in Australia, that is the finish line.
It's funny, they look just like at home.
Yeah, they do. All right. Everyone got the rules down?
Yeah.
I mean, that's the only rule.
Is it? And don't wreck it. That's also.
Yeah, don't wreck it. That's a big one.
Can
All
I set
right.
it on fire though?
No. All right, so let's get your timer out.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go! 38.6 the time to beat.
I wish you luck.
Yes, sir.
He's gonna beat me. Goddamn.
All right, in 3, 2, 1, go!
Is that oil?
That's oil.
Oh, God. Where's that coming from?
Probably the dipstick.
Probably.
Oh! By 0.4!
Really?
36.23! 36.63.
Damn! Ah! Let me go again! I was babying the brakes, bro. He's slamming on the brakes. Like,
Alright.
it's this close to the turn.
At least I'm not last.
Jay is up. Jay, wish you luck, man.
Thanks, dude.
All right, hold on. Oh. What is that noise?
All right. In 3, 2, 1, go!
It has definitely developed a new noise.
Yes, it has.
100%, dude. It sounds so
100%.
bad.
Oh, damn. You're driving it, bud.
And stop. Okay, so who won?
Brandon.
Good job, Brent. What was your time?
36.23.
36. So this thing definitely has rod knock now, really bad.
Yeah.
And it's got oil going everywhere. So
Everywhere from the dipstick.
I'm not gonna be able to go because we want to be able to see what happens when we put the Marvel Mystery Oil in. So
Dude, she just ate Taco Bell.
Look at that sludge, bro. That's disgusting. That's so true. There's like, it's almost done actually. Honestly.
Yeah,
Oh, look at that. Oh my god.
It's terrible.
there was no oil in the car.
Alright, so as you guys can see, I mean, it's still dripping, but we got places to be, so.
Where the f do we have to go? Call of Duty.
Did you bring a funnel?
This is Novice Garage, dude. We don't do funnels.
The oil is drained. Time to put the Marble Mr. oil in. Brennan?
That was pretty solid.
We're gonna take off the cap and we don't have a funnel.
The bottle claims improves compression, power, and miles per gallon. Guaranteed to throw your engine. Or what does that say?
What?
Keeps engine clean from
Where
sludge.
the f did you see guarantee?
Guaranteed to throw your engine? Is that really?
It literally says in oil, replace up to 20%. Well, we're doing 100% today.
Everything will be fine.
Should I take a shot of this?
Let's go.
Oh, this is the end.
It looks like ATF,
This is the end.
Dude, you hear it like going in? It's like so thin.
That's what she said. Dude, this is like
It actually
water.
smells, it smells pretty good.
It does. I kinda wanna drink it.
You ain't about it.
Don't look me on like that. So this is a gallon, or 4 quarts, as I learned earlier. So, we're just gonna put the entire bottle in there, because the Miata engine holds about 4.5 quarts, so close enough.
And guys, to be clear, we didn't bring any other oil, so we actually have to run this home if it makes
It's not going home. It's going home behind that with chains.
It's all in. 100% Marble Mr. oil. So, as you guys can probably tell, this thing is boosted, but a while back I actually disconnected the wastegate to prevent any boost from building because this thing went through a lot of experiments. So, since it is literally the end for this engine, we're gonna go ahead and reconnect the wastegate to get all 10 pounds of boost.
all 10 pounds.
All Bartle Skeets.
It's gonna go out with a bang, dude.
So since we lost the arm that connects this thingy to this thingy, we want boost to blow this up. So we found a coat hanger and we wrapped it around the little couplers there and it'll be okay, maybe.
Dude, it's not going nowhere. Let's do it. Let's do this.
Oh, damn. This is goddamn Novice Garage right here.
Straight Marble Mr. oil as engine oil, and 3, 2, 1, hit it. You have to get a little bit of gas. Oh, it sounds so bad.
Oh, that's bad.
We got a knocker!
Knock, knock, who's there? Oh, this is so bad.
Oh my god.
This is so bad.
Oh my god.
Oh, it sounds so bad.
It's going!
It feels faster. Dude, I think, are you sure?
It just died.
Well, put it in first.
I broke it in your toy.
Where's the oil?
Oh, wait, where's the oil cap at? Oh, I wonder.
hanger stay on?
Yeah, the hanger's on.
Yeah.
The hanger's on, dude.
How much boost was it?
We were running like 8 pounds of boost.
Really?
Yeah, 8 pounds.
It felt fast.
It was way faster.
Does it turn over at all? Try turning it over.
I think the battery's weak, dude.
We can try pushing you.
Yeah.
We need as much room as we can.
There's the oil cap. It was in the middle of the street. There it is. Oh my gosh! What is that? What is that?
Keep going. Keep going forward. There's parts everywhere.
Shit hit my feet.
Oh my gosh! Dude!
There's a rod right there. Bro, it's done. It's done.
Yeah, brother.
That was crazy. Are we good? Dude, it's coming out of the vents. It's coming out of the air vents. Oh man.
Oh, oil cap again.
Dude, the oil cap will not stay on. Damn.
Where's the hole?
I
It's
think
on
it's
this
on-
side for sure.
It's probably on the bottom somewhere.
Ka-chunk, and then just.
We got a little bit of copper coming out of there, a little bit of rubber. Looks like that's from the, I don't even know what that's from. Is that a piston ring?
That is a piston. Alright guys, so you don't get pissed off at us for leaving this here. And because we're decent human beings, we're gonna clean all this oil up. Obviously, as you can see, there's chunks of Miata motor everywhere. So we've got Gabe down there doing the dirty work because he's a dirty.
Look at that bag, Justin.
Free Miata parts.
Free Miata parts.
Yeah.
$50. I know what I have. No low ballers.
He knows.
Ran when parked.
Ran when parked.
Alright guys, so it's actually surprising. The Miata's running, dude. It's
driving good, dude.
Dude, it drives great. Psych!
Just kidding. It's like a rubber band.
We're being pulled by a
Ratchet strap
Nissan Sentra, and it's actually terrifying. So comment right now if you think it's gonna make it home.
Got like 10% home. 10% of the way home.
That means Brendan was right.
Yeah, he was right.
What the f are you doing?
I'm a professional.
Alright guys, if anyone has a truck for sale, cheap, DM us. We need one.
Please, please.
The Sentra's got it, bro.
No,
Oh, is that the clutch or the brake?
that's the clutch.
No. No.
Justin! Oh my God, he's banging gears. This is so scary. Holy f oh my God! We are doing 60 miles an hour. Holy f You have any last words, Gabe?
Justin, you're a idiot.
Even though it's freezing outside, we got a little hungry on the way. Ow. Fucking Justin. We are gonna get some ice cream through the McDonald's drive-thru while being towed.
Can we get 2 ice cream cones?
Is that what you're free?
And then 1 medium fry.
What?
Let her rip.
He's just gonna creep on past the first window. Dude.
You have to explain if the orders for the car.
Hey, tell Brent. Hold on.
Hey, you're paying for the guy behind you, right? That guy's paying for us.
I'm telling you.
It's been a rough night.
Yeah.
He was supposed to pay for us.
What?
He was supposed to pay for us.
Yeah, he just left.
He's a dick.
Next card.
Have a good one.
Let her rip.
What the f, dude? Wait! Stop! You're going. Hey! Wait! You went too far, dips.
How is it, guys?
Good, man.
We're good.
Damn it!
Oh my God! This is. Oh my God! This dip